Well, this is one of the Christmas presents I've gotten for Christmas. It's a little air compressor, a little portable air compressor. Holds about 11 gallons of air. But, it has some features, like it came with some attachments, which I'll make a separate video on. But anyways, I'll show you some little features about it. This here gauge right here is for the air holes. Like if you want full blast, you can set this here knob on the side for how much air you want. And you can turn it down. And you see right there the needle just moved. And this gauge over here is for your tank, for how much air you got in the tank. And it's about exactly 40. Right now I don't have much air in there. And this is for your hose hookup. And that red switch right there is where you turn it on. But obviously, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to turn it on because it's going to be quite noisy. And then I have to overtalk the air compressor. And then this deal right here is the pop valve. After it fills up, after it fills up, you hear that pop very loudly. Listen. That's it. After you hear that, after you hear that valve pop, then that means it's full. And I also got the air holes right here. See, this goes right in the goes right into here. Goes right into there. But anyways, that's my air compressor right there. Well, this is my air compressor right here. I'll talk to you guys next time.